Hello friends, welcome to Swarutva's Corner. Today I am going to show you how to make your own perfume at your home. To make this you need a spray bottle, a bowl, rose water, and 1 spoon and water. So let's get started. First take a bowl and a spoon and add some water to it. After that, take the rose water and add it to the water. You can add more or less, depends on your smell, and mix it. Mix till you find that the rose water is completely dissolved in the water. Then take your spray bottle and add that water to your bottle. Then our perfume is ready. You can use it wherever you want, on your hands, underarms, or on your dresses, and it smells really perfect, like rose. But sometimes you don't have the spray bottle, so you can use cotton. Dip the cotton in the water and apply it. Isn't it a right idea? I hope you liked my video and make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.